Hi, I'm Alex Nash, and I'm one of the trainers here at Higher Power Training. I really like working with people and helping them accomplish their goals. I like working with athletes, making them faster and stronger. I like working with retired athletes, making sure that they move like they used to, try to get rid of some aches and pains. And I like to work with fat loss clients, helping you get to where you really want to be. I think you should train with me because I always have a goal. I always want to make sure that we're moving forward, and I always want to do it in a fun and positive atmosphere and making sure that you're always safe.